I've just got this new robotic lawnmower. It's a Husqvarna. Clint from Camden Garden Solutions. I watch him on Instagram and Facebook, and he installs these things now. And I've been watching his clips, thinking how wonderful this would be for my lawn. And he's installed it a few weeks ago. And it's doing just an amazing job. First of all, it maps out your lawn so it knows where it's going. Then it systematically, although it doesn't look like it's doing systematically, it mows your lawn. It's got a computer and it knows where it's been. I've called my machine Batman, and when you see it, it looks like the Batmobile. Pretty amazing. Super quiet, that's it, mowing the grass. And I've got a big lawn. It goes around the corner, it mows to the edges, it even crosses the driveway over there and mows that lawn area on the other side. And seriously, my grass has never been better mown. They are brilliant. And if you compare it to the cost of a sit-down lawnmower, they are very good value, and they mow the lawn for you. And when it gets tired, when it runs out of battery, it returns to the charging station and it charges itself, and it can mow all day and all night. Absolutely incredible. Love it.